Hi everybody, this is Chelsea and welcome to my bubble. I am just doing a quick regular morning cleanup in my living room, and I thought that I would shoot a video for you guys real quick. It's not very long, but I hope that it can give inspiration to someone to help them get moving and clean their own house. So this is just going to be super quick, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.